My name is Hassan, a second-year MBA student at the Saunders College of Business, and I'm from Niger. I'm the president of the Tiger Tales Toastmaster Club at RIT. I've been a Toastmaster for more than 6 years, and I started in a French-speaking club in my home country. Upon coming to RIT, I became a member of the Tiger Tales Club. Our club is affiliated to Toastmaster International, which is a non-profit organization that teaches public speaking and leadership skills. And we are glad to have on our campus such a club that gives students a nurturing environment to hone their skills in public speaking and leadership. Now, I would like to introduce Shidra, a past president of our club, who is going to talk about her experience at RIT.
Thank you, Hassan. Do you ever feel it is difficult for you to fit in a new environment? I felt when I first joined RIT 2 years ago, it was difficult for me to fit in this new environment. I saw all these talented people around. Talent was just oozing in the campus. It wouldn't shock me if I saw Iron Man walking past by in the campus. On the day of the orientation, I saw students who have been giving their speeches for 300 or more people. I was in shock. I was awestruck. Not only did they speak for 15 straight minutes, their message was clear and concise. They did not have trembling legs and hands. That felt perfection to me. Few days later, my friends and I have lunch at Crossroads, and I see this guy who has been practicing his parkour and skateboarding technique. He could flip once and smoothly land on his skateboard and move past. I thought that was perfection. His friends come by and tell him something, and few trials later, he could flip twice and land on the skateboard smoothly. What I thought was perfection 2 minutes ago had literally changed. That's when I realized perfection is a myth. Everyone strives for a different level of perfection. When I first joined Toastmasters, I thought I could never speak without having trembling legs and hands. My first few speeches, I still was nervous and had trembling legs and hands. With the help of mentors and guide, to help me see through the goal, what I wanted to achieve, to see that I had a message to give by to the audience. With that, my fear of trembling hands and legs had gone away. That's the power of mentors and guides. RIT has mentors and guides for you name it, it is there. If you want to start your own business while in college, there's accelerator program for that. If you want to build your own robot, you have the robotics lab for that. If you want to sharpen your professional public speaking skills, there is Toastmaster for that. You name it, RIT has it. It is not that we do not fall. It's that we fall, we fail, but we don't fit in, rather grow up. The reality, the truth is, we are all our own Iron Man building our own suit. Back to you, Hassan.
This is an example of what we call a prepared speech. And at every club meeting, we have members who deliver a speech like that. Then they receive feedback from evaluators. And through practice and mentorship, members like Shitra learn how to craft a speech, how to use gestures and vocal variety to address an audience. And besides the prepared speeches, we have table topics, which is a part of the meeting where members are asked a question and they try to answer on the spot within 2 minutes, which is a great way to learn how to practice impromptu speaking. And I would like to mention that we also have functionaries during the meeting who help speakers improve their speech fluidity, use of language, and time management. The ultimate goal of Toastmaster International is to make confident speakers and leaders and to empower them to pursue their dreams in life. Whatever your major is, Toastmasters in the educational program may help you reach your personal and professional goals. Ralph Smedley, who is the founder of the organization, said, "Whatever your graded position, If you know how and when to speak, when to remain silent, your chances of real success are proportionally increased. Tiger Self-Toastmaster Club has meeting on Wednesday from 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Join us for a journey of learning and mutual enrichment.